In this video, let's make dulce de leche in the Instant Pot. It's a sweet, creamy, rich sauce. All that's needed is 2 ingredients, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and the second ingredient is baking soda. In a stainless steel bowl, add 2 tablespoons of water and mix in half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then mix in the sweetened condensed milk. Add 1 cup of water to the Instant Pot. Set the bowl into the Instant Pot. Pressure cook on high for 1 hour.
1 hour later.
You may need to adjust the time depending on the type of sweetened condensed milk you use. Use an immersion blender or hand whisk to smooth out the mixture. Pour into a jar and it's ready to be enjoyed. Have it on all kinds of things like cakes, ice cream, or toast. Check out my other Instant Pot videos as well. Bye for now.